Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to perform a routing in ASP.NET Core. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio. Here I already created a blank project. This is all the content by default folder and files. This is the MVC framework .NET Core application. So first of all, we open a startup.cs, and for example, this container by default some actions method. Here this container like a index, about, contacts, privacy. This is the by default action method that is created when we create a blank application. So first of all, if we root this index method by directly calling this method by home, means like a localhost / name. So we need to write here code. It's routes dot map route, and then here like a writing a name, it's a home, and then writing a template. This is the URL that we calling a action method. Here I am writing like a home, and then it's a defaults. Here we writing a controller and action method name. Our controller name is home, and then we write a action method name. It's action method name. Action method name is index, and if you want to more like if you want to also reroute our about page, so here we like writing here some different name, and then it's about, and then here we writing our controller name, and this for index method name. Index action method name. This action method name is here. Now we run this application for testing this home and about. So I'm pressing a Ctrl F5 for debugging this application. Now this is under debugging. Now this run this application by default. This calling this routing. This is the default routing. First is a home, then index method. So by default it's a home index calling. So for testing this this routing, I am writing here it's a home / home. Then this home index method will be called. If we route about, then this about action method is called, and if you want to access any query string value, then we need to define it here in a template like it's a slash. For example, I am taking a query string as ID, then this will accept a ID query string. Here we passing this variable, and for testing this query string, I am stored this query string value inside this temp data, and we display this temp data into this s2 tag, I'm writing like it's a about page. Now we again press Ctrl F5. Now we again change into this piece for about slash any digit. I'm pressing this for 8. If any changing like a 10, then this query string value is directly stored into a temp data, and then this temp data will be display here. One more method is using in ASP.NET Core attribute writing. In attribute writing, we directly decorate this with a route name. It's a route. It's a route. Then here we are writing this name, like I am writing this as a contact. This attribute based routing can applied on action methods and a controller level, means you can apply it, this routing to here as per your requirement. So I again run this application. I am pressing Ctrl F5. So this contact method is directly called by localhost / contact. Means no need to rewrite this contact into this emp.use MVC. This directly route from this attribute based routing. Now we write this directly. This is a contact, then contact page will be called. And if we call any other, like this page is not root, so if you write it here, then this will be giving a page not found, because this page is not rooted inside this startup.cs or any attribute based routing. So this is the simple routing in ASP.NET Core. So if you have any questions, any problem, please write in comment box. I will reply you soon. So if you like my videos, please click on subscribe button, and for getting latest updates, also click on notification bell. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session.